In previous session, we have seen rectangle and polygon command. In this session, we are going to see ellipse by using different options. For starting new drawing, click here on Start Drawing. So this window will appear. Type EL. EL will be shortcut for ellipse and press enter. So we can start drawing ellipse, or we can start drawing ellipse from here also. See here, there are three different options: center ellipse, then axis and ellipse, then elliptical arc. Now we are going to see center ellipse option. So see here, we can create an ellipse by using specified center point. To create an ellipse using a center point, the end point of the first axis and the length of the second axis we have to specify. So you can specify the distance by clicking on the location at a desired distance by the entering the value for the length. That is, in this center method we have to give center point, then we have to specify horizontal distance or horizontal radius, and then we have to specify vertical distance or vertical radius. So we are going to see ellipse option by using center method. So click on center. Now what we have to do, we have to specify center point. Suppose this is my center point, and then I have to specify horizontal distance. I will on the ortho mode. So this will be my second point. Suppose I am going to give its value as a 12. Enter. This will be my horizontal distance, and then I have to give vertical distance. Suppose 7. Enter. So this will be my ellipse by using center command. 12 will be horizontal distance from center to one end, and then 7 will be vertical distance. I will give dimensions here, linear dimensions. Click on this point and center point. So this will be my horizontal dimensions, then I will give vertical dimension, this point and end point. For increasing size of dimension, type D, press enter. D for dimension style, and we can modify dimensions from here. So text ISO standard, then fit. Suppose I will, here is by default 1 is here, I will type 5. Then primary units, I will set it as a 0.00, and press OK and close this dialog box. So these units are shown on the our ellipse. Now this is our first method by using center and horizontal distance and vertical distance. Now by using second method is axis end method. In this method we can create an ellipse. The first 2 points of the ellipse determines the location of the length of the first axis. What we have to do, we have to give end to end distance, horizontal distance. Then third point determines the distance between the center of the ellipse and the end point of the second axis. So now we are going to draw axis by using ellipse by using axis end method. So click on axis end method. In this we have to specify, suppose I am going to specify first point, then I have to specify second point. Suppose I will give distance as a 12. Enter. And then I have to give vertical distance. Suppose I will give as a 3. Enter. So this will be my ellipse by using end to end distance and vertical distance. I will give dimensions for this. This will be start point, this will be end point, then vertical dimensions. So 3, this will be my vertical dimensions. In this way, ellipse by using first point and second point, that is by using axis and end, can be draw. Now we are going to see elliptical arc. First I will erase all previous drawn. So select Ctrl All and press delete. Now we are going to see elliptical arc. So we can create an elliptical arc. Here what we have to do, the first 2 points of the elliptical arc determines the location and length of the first axis. Then third point determines the distance between center of the elliptical arc and the end point of the second axis. And the fourth and fifth point will give start point and end angles. So now click on elliptical arc, then specify first axis endpoint and specify length of the axis. Suppose I will give it as a 15. Enter. Now I have to give vertical distance. So vertical distance will be, suppose I am going to give 4. Enter. Now I will off the ortho mode. Here what I have to do, I have to specify start angle. This is 0 degree, this will be 90 degree, this will be 180 degree, 270 degree and return 360 degree. Suppose I want to create from here to 270, from 90 to 270 I have to specify first angle as a 90. Enter. And then I will give second end point or angle as a 270, or I can increase from here. Suppose I will give 350, 315, 315. Enter. So this will be my elliptical arc. So we can give angle also from here. So I will draw a line first, select this point and this point. Enter. Now I am going to give angular measurement. This will be 135 degree angle. Enter. So this will be arc of 135 degree. I will now repeat this arc command, elliptical arc command. First select center method and then I am going to draw elliptical arc. Here I have to specify one axis endpoint and then I have to specify another endpoint. Suppose this will be 10. Enter. And I will give 3 as a vertical axis, 3 units. Now I have to specify, suppose I need to draw from 0 degree to 220 degree. So I have to give 0 first angle. Enter. Then I will give value as a 220 degree, 220. Enter. So this will be my elliptical arc, or arc by using ellipse method. Now we are going to draw ellipse by using rotation method. For this, select center ellipse and specify first point of the ellipse and then specify second horizontal distance from center. I will give is as a 8. Enter. Then I will choose option as a rotation. In rotation method only I have to specify the angle. Suppose it is 0 degree, I will specify it as a 0 degree, then it will draw only full circle of radius 8. Suppose 0. Enter. So this will be radius of 8 and this will be a complete circle. So see here, I will select this. So we cannot select this object as it is not a circle. See here, click on this, because this is drawn by using elliptical command. So I can give here center to endpoint distance only. This will be 8. I will repeat this command center ellipse by using rotation method. So click on the center point, then I will give this distance as a 7 and I will on ortho mode. This will be center and this distance will be 7. Enter, and now I have to specify rotation. So I can give angle from here. I will off ortho mode, otherwise it will choose only in horizontal and vertical direction angle. So I can specify angle here. So at 90° only horizontal line will be drawn. See here, I will specify it as a 45° and enter. So this horizontal distance will be 8 and the angle of rotation given by us will be 45°. So this will be horizontal distance. We have given it as a 7. So in this way we can draw elliptical arc and ellipse by using rotation method, and for drawing circle by using ellipse method we have to specify rotational angle as a 0°. So today we have seen ellipse command. We have drawn ellipse by using center method, then by using axis end method, and by using elliptical we have also drawn elliptical arc, and then we have drawn ellipse by using center and rotation method. Thank you everyone for watching this video. So if you have liked my videos, then subscribe to my channel TechnoSource Creation. We are going to cover all the AutoCAD commands and drawings in this session. Thank you.